Hey friends, this is Atif Val and welcome to the new update on Stellar. As in my earlier video, Stellar, I was showing you that after the breakout from another down channel, the price line of Stellar was trying to break out a quite strong resistance line that starts from 45 cents and goes to 49 cents. And this was my last video that I shared a few hours ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then you can see that still it is struggling to break it out. And by the way, this resistance line has been previously working as a resistance line here for several days and support zone here. Now, after the breakdown for the past several weeks, you can see that it is flipped into a resistance. By the way, in case of rejection, we have a quite long-term support here at 40 cents. And now this time we also have the EMA 21 on this daily time frame chart, exactly almost at the 40 cents level. Therefore, this time this 40 cents, for example, if we will have a pullback up to 40 cents, then it can work as a strong support for the price line of Stellar because we have two support levels here. One is the EMA 21 on the daily time frame chart. You can see that for the past several weeks, it was working at a resistance, and now it can be flipped into a strong support after this breakout. And at the same level, we also have this long-term support of 40 cents as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you once again this very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And I would also like to show you once again this very huge setup that is a very big ascending triangle that is formed on the monthly time frame chart. And I would also like to share with you a quite long-term trade signal for Stellar that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members. And so far, this signal has produced almost 400% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for SSV network, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the long-term trade setup for Stellar that I shared almost 2 years ago with my members. And by the way, I have been sharing this move in my different videos for the past 2 years with you as well. And that is a very, very huge harmonic bullish reverse Garland pattern that's Stellar from on a monthly time frame chart. Therefore, this was a quite long-term trade signal. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very, very massive pump from this buying zone and read the sell target line here and pumped almost up to 63.74 cents. And so far it has pumped more than 400%. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now, let me to take you to the live chart. First of all, let me to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days, the price line after the breakout from this channel, price line is trying to break out this long, very strong resistance zone that starts from 45 cents and goes to 49 cents. Previously, it was working as a support zone here for several days, and after the breakdown now, for the past several weeks, it is flipped into a very strong resistance. By the way, we have broken out this red line that is an EMA 21 resistance on the daily time frame chart. You can see that for several weeks, it has been working as a resistance, and now it can be flipped into a nice and long-term support. And this time, the CMA 21 is moving approximately at 40 cents, where we have this long-term support of 40 cents as well. Therefore, if the price will be rejected by the resistance, this resistance line, then it can test the EMA 21 and 40 cents, both levels as a support. And we may see another bounce from here. However, if the price breaks it down, then we can test the previous resistance of the channel as a support. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for the breakout from this channel, that target is by the way here at the top of the channel at approximately 63 cents. Now, if we move to the weekly time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is by the way that was here at the top of the wedge, somewhere between 80 cents to $1. And you can see that we are very close to hit that target now. Now, if we take a look at this setup, this is a very huge ascending triangle. This is a quite long-term trade setup that XLM has formed on this monthly time frame chart. And the formation of this ascending triangle was started here in the month of July 2017. And now recently we are once again rejected by the resistance of this descending triangle. For example, if the price end will be drop more down, then it can test the long-term support zone here that we have from 27 cents to 25 cents. If we watch here on the 7 days time frame chart, then it will be more visible. You can see that this support zone from 27 to 25 cents has been previously breaking at the resistance here, support, and support. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong support for the price line of Stellar. And in case of breaking it down, the price and can again test the support of the triangle somewhere here, approximately at 10 cents. But in case of breaking out the resistance of this big ascending triangle, we can expect a very, very massive and long-term rally. And by the way, this can be a quite long-term move because this is the monthly time frame chart. One candlestick is representing 1 month. And for example, if we will have a breakout from here, then technical target will be approximately at somewhere between $45 to $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.